Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now friends, in this video we are again talking about the Ankr network. A lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what should they do, and a lot of people also do this mistake at this time. As you know, today is the 30th April, the last date of month, and a lot of people do a big mistake on this date. So please don't do it at this time and be safe from loss. Keep watching this video till the end, friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. First of all, as you can see here, we talk about the price of Ankr network. As you can see here, the current price of Ankr network is about 0.167688 USD is the current price of Ankr network at this time, friends. And if we talk about the prices goes at this time in Ankr network, so the last 1 hour change is positive, last 1 day change is negative, and last 1 week change as negative, friends. Positive, friends. Last 1 week change, only the last 1 day change as negative. That's mean that the yesterday the funding period of Ankr network starts now, friends. For more details, let's see the price prediction chart. Oh my god, as you can see here, that's why the change is negative, because yesterday they falls down. That is the last 1 day price prediction, and as you can see here, as I show you, the last 1 hour change is positive. That's mean that at this time they currently in the jumping more, friends. But as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction. If we look the change occur in the Ankr network, so the last 1 day change as negative 1.13% change occur in Ankr network in the last 1 day, friends. The highest price of Ankr network in the last 1 day period is about 0.170893 USD is the highest price of Ankr network, friends. Now the current price of Ankr network in the market is about 0.167688 USD is the current price of Ankr network in the market at this time, friends. So now they are in the jumping mood. The next move is also in the jumping mood. So but now unfortunately a lot of people do a mistake at this time. As you know, there is the last date of month, and a lot of people goes to sell Ankr network, friends. As you can see here, the change is negative, and a lot of people goes to market and sell it. So absolutely they are mad and they are in the loss, because you are in the loss and you goes to market, you want to sell it. Absolutely, it's a bad decision for all of you, friends. If you are a holder of Ankr network, so my suggestion for all of you is that please wait for it, be patient, and when the change become positive, when you are in profit, it is the best time for you to sell it and be safe from loss and take a profit, friends. So what's your opinion about Ankr network? My opinion is positive. My opinion is that the next jump is coming soon of Ankr network, so please hold it and wait for the big jump, the big pump, friends. What's your opinion? If you agree with me, kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.